Hi, I'm Varsha and you're watching this video from justtutors.com, and in this video we are going to learn about angles. So in angles we are going to learn about different types of angles. Now, before moving ahead with our today's topic, we'll try some warm-up questions. Here are the questions for you. To try these questions, you can pause the video. So basically in question number 1, you need to identify the shape and give a name to them. So this is a rectangle here, so you can put the rectangle here. Here, this one is a triangle as it has 3 sides, so it is triangle. Next, here it's a parallelogram, so we put a parallelogram here. And here, as you can see, it has 6 sides, so it would be hexagon. Well done. I must say that you're really good at identifying the different shapes. Now we move ahead to our topic, which is angles. So basically, the measurement of the turn between the two lines formed by rays diverging from a common point is called an angle. So if two rays being diverging from a common point here, and whichever the distance between them, this is somewhere around an angle. And the common point is always called a vertex, and these two lines are called rays or lines. And there are basically 6 types of angle, which is acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, reflex angle, and complete, or we call it as full angle as well. Now we are going to learn about these angles one by one. First of all, we are going to discuss about acute angles. So those angles whose measurement is always less than 90 degree, that is an acute angle. Even if it is 89 degree, that is also an acute angle. But if the angle measure exactly 90 degree, neither more than 90 degree, no less than 90 degree, so that would be a right angle. It's a straight angle like 90 degrees, straight line here and a straight line sleeping here. This is called right angle. Now we move ahead to obtuse angle. So obtuse angles are those angles which are more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. So those are called obtuse angle. So these angles are acute, right, and obtuse. Now we move ahead and we're going to learn about the angle straight angle. So straight angle are those angles which measure exactly 180 degree. So those are straight angle. So there are 2 type of angle that we have learned that exactly measures the given number of degrees. So if it is 90 degree, those are right angle. If it is 180 degree, those are straight angles. Now we move ahead to the next type of angle, which is reflex angle. So now in reflex angle are those angles which are more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. Even if it is 359 degree or 181 degree, then also they all are reflex angle. Now we move ahead to the last type of angle that we're going to learn, which is a complete, or we can say full angle, or at times in some books it is called around a point as well. So those angles which exactly measure 360 degree, those are complete angle. As you can see that straight angle also forms a straight line, complete angle also forms a straight line. So what's the difference between them? Difference is that in a complete angle, one line is this, so another line is on it. But in a straight angle, one line is going to the right hand side, another line is going to the left hand side. So this is the difference between the right angle, straight angle, and complete angle. And for the right angle, there is a standing line and a sleeping line. They both has to be straight. So now we have learned 6 type of angle: acute angle less than 90 degree, right angle 90 degree, obtuse angle more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree, straight angles 180 degree exactly, reflex angle more than 180 degree, less than 360 degrees, and the complete angle, which is exactly measures 360 degrees. Thank you for watching the video. For more, please visit justtutors.com.